In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to extend Puppy Keep on Shein. So the first step is to go to your settings on your mobile device. Now I'm using an iPhone, so we're gonna have to go to General, then we just have to go to iPhone storage, and then from here what we're gonna have to do is simply search for Shein, and then we just have to select it from here. And then what we're gonna have to do next is simply tap on offload app, then confirm. So basically this will clear the cache files. Now simply tap on reinstall app. Now if you have an Android phone, you just have to tap and hold the icon on your Android device, then go to information, and then you'll see the option to clear the cache files. But make sure you clear only the cache files, so not the data. Otherwise you lose your account, so you're gonna have to log in back. But overall, that's all you have to do in order to extend Puppy Keep on Shein. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.